In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Superscript in Constant Contact. Superscript is useful when you need to raise a character slightly above the normal line of text. You might use it for things like trademark symbols, footnote references, ordinal numbers, or small formatting details that need to look clean and professional in an email campaign. Constant Contact makes this adjustment directly inside the email editor, so you do not need to use any outside design tools or special code. You just need to select the text you want to change and apply the Superscript formatting from the toolbar. To begin, open your email campaign in the Constant Contact editor. This is the workspace where you build and customize the content of your email. Once the campaign is open, take a moment to locate the section of the email that contains the text you want to edit. If your email has several content blocks, scroll through the layout until you find the correct text block. The Superscript option is part of the text formatting tools, so you will need to be working inside an editable text area before you can apply it. Now click into the text block that contains the character or text you want to change. This will activate the text editing controls and make the formatting toolbar appear above your email workspace. The toolbar may include options such as font settings, alignment, bold, italic, underline, and other formatting tools. If you do not see the toolbar right away, make sure your cursor is placed inside the text block. Constant Contact needs to know which text area you are editing before it displays the correct controls. Next, highlight the specific character or text that you want to turn into Superscript. Be precise here because only the selected text will be changed. For example, if you are formatting a small symbol or a single number, select just that character. If you select more text than intended, the Superscript effect will be applied to all of it. You can always click away and try again if the wrong part is highlighted, but taking a moment to select carefully will make the final result look much cleaner. Once the correct text is highlighted, look at the text formatting toolbar above your email workspace. Find the Superscript icon, which is usually shown as an X with a small raised 2, like X squared. This icon represents text that is lifted above the normal baseline. When you see it, click the Superscript icon. The highlighted text should immediately shift upward and become smaller or raised compared with the surrounding text, depending on how Constant Contact displays the formatting in your editor. After applying the Superscript formatting, take a quick look at the text in context. This is a good moment to make sure the character appears in the right place and that the surrounding text still reads naturally. Superscript is a small visual change, but it can affect spacing and appearance, especially in headings, product descriptions, disclaimers, or footnote-style references. If it looks correct, you are ready to save the change within the editor. To save the formatting adjustment, click anywhere outside the text block. This tells Constant Contact that you are finished editing that block for now. Once you click away, the text block should return to its normal viewing state while keeping the Superscript formatting you just applied. This final click is important because it helps confirm the edit and lets you continue working on the rest of your email without accidentally changing the same text again. And that is all there is to it. Open your campaign in the Constant Contact editor. Highlight the text you want to raise, click the Superscript icon on the formatting toolbar, and then click outside the text block to save your changes. That covers everything you need to know.